Big and small. Big Legos. Small Legos. Big fish. Small fish. Big trees. Small plants. A big animal and its elephant. Small animal and its mouse. Big football. Small balls. Big burger. Small burger. Big building. Small house. Here is an activity for you, dear kids. Tell me which one is big in this and in these animals. Is this elephant or mouse? Yes, elephant is big. And which ball is small? Yes, the ball which we of white color is small. Which egg is small? The egg on the left side is small. And which car is big? Yes, this monster truck is big. Which animal is small? Cat or tiger? Yes, cat is small and tiger is big. And which animal is small? In the bears, is this stuffed toy or real bear? Yes, this stuffed toy is small. Which fruit is small and which fruit is big? Yes, watermelon is big. Which aeroplane is small? The brown one. Yes, you did it.